In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to add or remove animations to a page inside the Life Coach Sites Builder. So when you're in your WordPress dashboard, you will click on Pages and you will have all the pages that you have created on your site. And under the home page for this example, we want to change an animation. In our home page, we're going to go over here, hover over that, and click the Page Builder. Click on Page Builder. That opens up and you're going to see this right here. So it's going to give you all these options and menus over here. And what we want to do is look at this text, this heading right here, and see what we can do with this to make the animations pop more. So all you have to do is just hover over it anywhere and left click, and then watch what happens on the right side. Now we see a bunch of different options that show up right here. We can change all kinds of different stuff here, but right now, just to focus on the animation itself, we're going to go over here and not general, image icon style link right next to it. There's three little dots. Click that and then go over to advanced and click on advanced. Now the advanced container is open, and then now we're just going to scroll down here real quick to where it says animation. Now under animation, there's a drop down. We can click this drop down right here, and you can see that there's all kinds of different animations that we can actually use. We can use a simple fade in, and watch what happens over here. When I click on the fade in, it's going to give us an example. Okay, and then we can do a fade down. And I'm going to show a couple different ones. So a slide left, it comes in like that, and a zoom in. And these are just really nice animations that you can make this stuff pop. Rotate up left, really neat stuff. And then we will come down here and you can do these fancier ones are going to be, a lot more intense. This jello one is really cool. Wobble. So you can see the different ones. You can have any of these. You can add. So we're going to leave that one right there. And then what you would do right here is you can push the save button down here to make sure you want to save the animation. So then now it saves right there. And then what you can do also, if you want to preview it a little further and see what it actually will look like when the site is live, then click over here, top left menu under home, click that. Then come down here to preview layout. You can left click that and then watch what ends up happening. And that's what your site will look like when people come to it. We can come back over here to the continue editing button and click that, and it'll take us right back to our editor on that page. And if you would like to, we will come back over here and click on the header again, and we're going to go back to advanced one more time. And then what you want to do, remember, make sure to push save. But if you wanted to adjust the delay or the duration of the animation, you can come over here and you can fine tune this. You can make it as long as you want. So if you want it to be like a 2-second, then now watch what happens. We can come over here. You probably wouldn't want to do a 15-second delay, but there you go. It's a really cool delay. So let's say you want to be a little bit more dramatic. We're going to go with 4 seconds. Pretty cool. And we're going to click off that. So we're going to leave it at 4 seconds. We're going to push save. And then when you're done with this, all you have to do is just always make sure you come up to the done button and then publish. And then it is published and ready to go. And once it's published, then there you have it. You can go up and push refresh and watch it one more time. And that is how you adjust animations on any page inside of Life Coach Sites. Thank you.